Hi guys, welcome back to part 2. Please subscribe to my channel and like. So I'm gonna create a private server so no one can enter and then disturb me, especially my friends. Okay, so even this will teach you how to create a private server. So I'll just create a private server. Here you have two people with some YouTube type. If you click it, you'll get create private server. So I have already created it, so it will not leave me to do it. So what you have to do is just press that create private server and then put your name and put as give. It will just give you. Okay, so I'm gonna join my private server. I'm joining adopt me, and then it will give you as waiting for an available server, retrying. So until it counts like 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 times, it will just join the game. Okay, so see, it's joining the server and it's loading safe. No, it's loading house. Okay, so I'll just, it's really big. Okay, so now we just was continuing with this. So what we'll do is we'll just continue with this thing. Now what we have to just take out party bar here. Then I'll just put this, just put white only because it will set off. And then the floor we'll put as gray, or let's put black. Okay, so now we just need a table. Table. Then I'm taking a stylish table which is 22 bucks. Okay, and then let's take a chair. I'm taking this office chair. Okay, so I'm gonna just color it pink, and then on this side and then we need laptop. Okay, it's 20 bucks. Okay, there. Then books. You're taking a flat book. Okay, two books I'm taking. One I'll color it white, and the other one I'll just color it pink. Just really love pink, guys. Okay, so now you just need to decorate this this side. Just gonna take a block. Okay, and then we are going to go to decoration. Then go right here. We'll get clothing rack, and then oh my gosh, it went there. Or oh my gosh. Sit. Okay, I wanna. Okay. Then the floors can be pink. And then over here we are gonna put, oh my gosh, I just 1 second, guys. Just gonna do over here lights and take this light bulb, and then like And then over here also. Okay, there. Now we need, gonna take this cheap bulb. Okay, see. Let's go over there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this room is also done. So I'll just put some doors. Hmm. Okay, there we go. We just finished. Now we're just gonna fill this rack. Some books. Then it's not coming. It's okay. Let's take a poster. And then going to decoration. Let's take some briefcases. Then a wooden crate that will be over here. Okay, so our shelf is ready. Now, just gonna put a T. Oh, no, not that. Okay, there. Can I just color it? I just love coloring it. Okay, and then over here we're gonna put some oven. Um, okay, so no, not oven. It's okay. Don't need this. Microwave. Let's take microwave. Oh yeah, this one only. Okay, there. Microwave. Okay, so it's done now. Our tiny house is fully done. So it's time for tour now. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. See how nice it is. Oh my gosh. How am I just controlling this? Okay. Oh my gosh, this is like unreal. My gosh. Just a finishing touch. I just forgot about that. Okay. So let's take cheap lamp over here. We need some lights. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Bye.